Ladies and gentlemen, a few weeks ago the aliens, the Foot Clan, and the Predator attacked Burger King, and that's why I'm preparing for a rocket launch. We just discovered another world, and it looks like there's some new characters coming. My name is John Grimm. I was recently in the Dune movie, and I just want to prepare for this rocket launch to discover this other world. And now that I have your attention, I'm going to prepare for this launch, to prepare for this rocket strike. Miles Laird wanted to stay in Maine with his dad, but he was forced to move out against his will. His dad, and not being there for his child, the world needs to know he's responsible for this act.
Well, Miles and Beast Boy and Kai, it's good to see you here at the football field. And John Grimm is making his rocket launch to another world. How exciting is that?
I have to say, Martin Luther King Jr., it's great to see him doing something new. And I just wanted to come in and say this old school goodbye. I also wanted to say goodbye to this place before I go.
Well, it kind of to say something like,
Well, we want to discover what's actually out there in this other world, and what's in front of us. And if I'm being honest, we like to say this old life goodbye and say hello to our new life that's gonna be happening, just right in front of us. I mean, right in front of us.
Well, after this, you guys probably don't have to worry about living in the past anymore in Hudson. Now that you've demonstrated that you don't want to repeat the past of 2011 and 2012,
Spider sense is tingling.
Miles, what exactly is wrong?
There seems to be a problem in front of the school.
did you say something, Miles? Miles, man förbetänder det sajeta, säger maslamon, she is quite high, she sometimes you'll say, because of she was one of this man.
Oh no, there's trouble near the rocket ship.
I think this is pretty good.
But don't worry. Not if they get a taste of their friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Well, it's good to see the rocket blast. Spider-Man. Why does it have to be Spider-Man?
I think that might have been too close for comfort. You guys might want to reconsider. Let's not get on the wrong foot. Shall we tonight, fellas?
Yeah, and if I were you, I would get off the ship safely.
Good. It's good. It's really good. Don't let this happen.
Think again, Webhead, because we're going on a plane trip and you guys are not gonna come see it.
Weird. The minute they left. And now I guess they went to play chicken.
So long, cocksucker. They
Spider-Man is the one who did this to John Grimm.
Oh, great. Sit.
Spider-Man, you're under arrest for the murder of Jonathan Grimm.
Sorry, but I don't do surrender.
The whole town thinks that you killed John Grimm.
So, this could be really something. Don't really do it. So, you're going to blame me. Stingery.
Great, just great. Now the whole town of Hudson is going to blame me for thinking I killed John Grimm and I didn't kill him. And it's my guess those psychos are going to capture him.